Hi, I'm Kabir from Tripwix Luxury Rentals. I'm the Western Algarve ambassador, and today we're at this lovely property here in the Algarve in Burgau. I would like to describe it as a perfect mix between modern luxury and rustic charm. So one of the key features of this beautiful property is the exterior area of the property and the vast landscape that it has. It has a beautiful swimming pool, an amazing volleyball court, and in the end it has even a reading area. And of course the views of the Atlantic Ocean can't be talked enough about. So thank you so much for watching, and we'd love to host you here in this beautiful property and curate an amazing vacation for your family where you have unforgettable memories from the Algarve.